conversation. And if I were to give a feedback, that's a lot too. That's a lot because I actually don't know where to start from. Because I was so overwhelmed with the amount of clarity I gained, which really opened my eyes to the market. Although there's still some room for improvement because I have a previous record of blowing my accounts both on crypto, on Forex, which was a very bad experience for me. But with this training session, 3 week, but it opened my eyes that in a way I see the chart, I cannot unsee it. I cannot unsee it the way I've been seeing it right now. And I believe there's still more to see. But I'm just so overwhelmed with the clarity. And about you too, I just really want to appreciate you, sir, because you actually created a very enabling environment for us much clarity as much as we need because you really expose yourself. You give yourself out to us. Like I know it may be a small fraction to you based on the mentorship you are still giving us, but at least to me, this 3 week really opened my eyes because you really give yourself to it. The way you take your time to explain, answer questions, and no, thank you. Just thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. I really appreciate.